Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a reset with me. I know reset videos are usually like reset the house, but I actually don't need to reset the house. The house is clean, the house is good. It's me, I need a reset. So we're gonna reset together today. I have a few fun things planned that we're gonna do, but basically last weekend, you guys saw we went on that fun trip to Bahamas, the cruise. My kids, when we came home, the kids had a cold. I thought I was going to like completely avoid getting their colds. I don't know how. I'm kissing them and hugging them and sleeping with them. Like Rocco sleeps in my bed every night. But yeah, I got their cold. Friday night, I was like, no, it's not. Like I could tell, like you know that feeling when you're like, shoot, I'm getting sick. So I had to rest all day Saturday and Sunday, and I'm starting to feel better now. I'm starting to feel more like myself. My Oura Ring score is slowly going up. I'm like in the 70s today, which is a bummer because I had a really good streak going of like staying in the 90s every day. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're like, what the heck are you talking about? But basically, I'm starting to feel better. We need to reset because we're leaving. We're having a Michigan summer, which we're excited about. We're taking the kids to Michigan for a few weeks to see family and just hang out and get out of the heat for a while. So that's the plan. But before we do that, I want to do a few things. Number one, I have a few grays coming in, so we're going to attempt to cover those myself. If you know, I've had my hair license now for 13 years, and I haven't done hair in about 13 years. So we're gonna try to just cover up a little grays. I bought something on Amazon. We're gonna try that. I need to pack. How do you pack for 2 weeks? And luckily Michael has already packed up the kids and himself. When I was sick over the weekend, he did that, which was so nice. So I don't even have to worry about that. But I also want to pack up all my supplements. I want to make a loaf of sourdough. I want to make a healthy lunch, a healthy dinner, show you guys everything I bought for the trip. I bought a ton of cute new activewear on Amazon and just like some like fun travel, like health stuff. I'm excited. So I think let's just do that. Right now I'm drinking a coffee. It looks disgusting, but it tastes good. It's like cold brew with a little sugar-free caramel, but I'm starving. I need some lunch, and I want to show you my current lunch fixation, so let's go into the kitchen. All right, sipping on this coffee. I also really desperately need to start sipping on my water, but look at my starter. Okay, so before I started this brand new channel, which by the way, you are watching my new channel that I started a few months ago that focuses on health, wellness, recipes, routines, stuff like that. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. But one of my last videos on my other channel, my old channel, was how I made a sourdough starter and kind of how I make sourdough. So if you're curious, that video is still, every video is still live on that channel. But here's my starter. So we started here this morning where the band is, and now we're good. So we're ready to make a loaf soon. But I need to eat first. And I prepped some stuff yesterday, and I'm still like I said, not feeling 100%. Like I took a Claritin, so like my allergies are good, like the nose, the head, that's all good. I just have that like fatigued, like kind of winded feeling, you know? But honestly, not doing too bad. Okay, I have two things that I've been really loving lately, but this is a simple one that I did for dinner last night that's so good that I kind of just am like craving it and I want to eat it again. Okay, so this is what you need. Some ground beef. I just did ground beef. I kind of did it like taco style. I did cumin, paprika, chili powder, garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Made this last night and saved the rest. So this is what I like to do for lunch. I just kind of make double of what I did before if I'm not doing salmon, but I do have a good salmon recipe, but I'll show you later. So we're gonna make little tostadas. So I found these tortillas. So you guys know I've been working with a coach to like build muscle, and I was in a maintenance phase for the past 3 months, just eating at maintenance calories or eating a ton of protein and like trying to build muscle, and it's been so much fun. But I started into a cut phase over the past 2 weeks, and I have felt great during that, but I've had to make a few different swaps. So basically we're just lowering calories to try to lose a little bit of fat, but retain the muscle that I've built, and it's just so fun to me. I don't know, like I enjoy it so much. Like it's a hobby that I've really come to enjoy over the past year. So anyways, I found these on Amazon. They're called Mr. Tortilla. They came with a pack of 4 packs of 24. And they're basically 15-calorie tortillas, and they don't taste like paper. They're legit. So they're just tiny little things. That's why I kind of like them for tostadas. I've never just taken them out of the package and eaten them like this. I always warm them up, but I always warm up tortillas, you know? So we're gonna do these in the air fryer. I'm gonna do 2. We're gonna do these in the air fryer. I'll link them. So basically what I do, let me get my air fryer and I'll show you how you make them crispy. Basically just take a little spray. This is avocado oil spray. Just a tiny bit, both sides. And then I think I did like 2 or 3 minutes at 400 and they were like perfect. All right, so my air fryer kind of made them into little like tacos. They did not stay flat, but they got crispy and crunchy and they're gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna layer my, like super simple. You can do ground beef, you could do chicken, you could do fish, you could do whatever you wanted. Just use your like meal prepped meat and it's a great, easy way to do dinner or lunch. And this is just one of those meals that like my kids love too. I'll just do like regular tostadas or tortillas for them, maybe even add some refried beans, make it like a little burrito. They absolutely love meals like this. Do a little pico on top. You could do jalapenos, like whatever veg you like. I love like fresh tons of pico. Hot sauce. That's it. Takes less than 5 minutes because I've already prepped the meat. They're gonna be so crunchy and good. That lunch is so good. And by the way, I am not cutting carbs. I noticed those tortillas say like keto or carb or something. I'm not cutting carbs. I already had a bowl of oatmeal and English muffin today, but I just thought they sounded good and they taste great. I like the size, they're great. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for the kids for the plane. I'm like setting up my tripod by myself today, so I'm trying to stand on my tippy toes so you can see me well. But I got some stuff for the plane for the kids. It's a longer flight to Michigan, and then we also have a flight to California next month, so kind of want to get some stuff to entertain them. Last time we did a really long haul flight when we went to Disneyland and Hawaii and stuff, I got these for the kids, and Rocco was a little bit too young to enjoy it. He had just turned 2. But Julian loved it like so much that he remembers using these on the plane a year and a half ago. So I bought them again. They picked out which ones they wanted. They're these little sticker books. They come with 500 stickers and they're just like little habitats, little pictures, little sticker books for the kids. So I got the bug one. I got everything off Amazon, and then the ocean one, super entertaining for kids. Michael got this. He's bought this before too. I don't know where it went, but it's like a little bag that you can put the car seat in. Since we're going for such a long time, we have to bring the car seats. So these, well, since we're going to be going somewhere where we're going to be driving, we need the car seats. You know what I mean? And then these things are really cool too. So I actually bought 2. They're a little like lap desk for kids, and they're so excited about these 2. I also have already bought this once in the past. It looks just like this. You can see like it has all the markers and crayons and pens, and then they can actually draw and color right there. And it comes with like scissors, glue, eraser, markers, crayons, pens, like literally everything. Paper, construction thing, like coloring pages, everything. So super cute. And then you can actually zip it up and you can throw that sticker book in here too. I believe it fit. I remember that. So that's what I bought for the kids for the plane. We leave in just a few days. All right, so I went to Dillard's last night and I got this dress. We're gonna be going to a wedding. I just don't know if I really like it, but it was $50 and it was like, you know, a good price on sale. So I grabbed it. It fits well. I just don't know if I love the like ruching through the whole body. I had a dress like this in yellow that the ruching only kind of went up to there and I loved it. I don't think I have it anymore. I had to donate a lot of clothes like frequently when we were living in our condo because we just didn't have the space for it. Yeah, so I think I might have donated it, and I'm like, shoot, because I could have worn the yellow one, but I got this red one. If I don't end up wearing it, maybe I'll pack a couple other dresses too, but I also wanted to show you just a couple things I picked up on Amazon. The hair dye has not come in yet, but I ordered, it's called DP Hue. You can get it at Ulta or on Amazon. I just Amazoned it because my Ulta didn't have it in stock for like pickup. And then I also ordered my shampoo. This is like my favorite, and I ran out. And I just started using like a one that I already had. And I'm like, I can already tell a difference because it doesn't have the, I believe it's minoxidil that's in this one. So minoxidil is kind of like, it's what helps, it's scientifically proven to give you like thicker, fuller hair, but you have to continue using it. So like once you stop using it, the effects go away. So I'm like, I need my shampoo. So I love it. So I do the one that's for colored and damaged hair. And Michael just does the one that's for like thinning hair. He loves it too. He uses the spray, the shampoo. He doesn't really use conditioner. Do you guys use conditioner? But I use the whole set. So I love it. I just repurchase this all the time. Okay, and then my favorite brand of workout clothes right now, you guys, is Crazy or CRZ, Crazy Yoga on Amazon. I'm just obsessed with all of their stuff. So the sweater that I have on right now and the shirt is actually Vitality, but the shorts are Crazy Yoga. I love these shorts. I literally wear them like every video, every day, every reel, everything I post. I'm like always in these shorts. And I'm like, I just love them. And whenever I post them, it seems like you guys love them too. So I was like, I need to try more of their stuff. So I ordered a couple more things and I figured we could try it on and do a little haul together of like workout clothes, because we want to keep this health and wellness related, even though it's kind of vlog style today. So I already have this tank in 2 other colors. I believe I have the white and what other color do I have? I know I have the Lululemon one and I have the CRZ Yoga one. But I liked this color. It was like grayish blue, cambric blue. I did it in a size medium. I always do a medium in their stuff. So good. So I'll try this on. It's ribbed. It has the built-in bra. It's perfection. I love this. So this is usually what I wear together. These tanks and then these shorts. But I got a couple of new things. I actually always order it on Amazon too, but it looks like they may even have a bigger selection on their own website. And then these shorts are pretty similar to the ones that I have on right now. They just have like a boxier square edge, like a slit. So let's try this whole outfit on. Okay, so these shorts actually fit a little different, but we'll talk about the top first. Okay, so I already, like I said, have this top. I love it. You can see the fit here. It's so good. It's so cute. It's so flattering. It's so easy. I love it. I love it to work out in. I love it to just lounge in, but I think you can tell the shorts fit a little different. They're a little thinner and a little more just like close to the body. They're not snug by any means. They're still like loose, but they're just like a little bit of a closer to the body fit, whereas the other ones are a little more like flowy, almost skirt-like. But I do think they're really cute, and you can see the slit. It has like a built-in brief kind of liner, and then it has a little like square slit. Super cute. Like, yep, I love it. And these, I think, were like the Free People kind of looking ones, like with scrunch waist. Let me throw these shorts on. These are 2-in-1 workout shorts, indigo, medium. Okay, these are even more skirt-like. If you like that skirt look, this almost looks like a skirt or a skirt, like a little tennis skirt. It's so cute. And I like this color. They have built-in little biker shorts actually, which that's kind of nice. I like it. These are really different than my other ones. I like them a lot though. The fit is super cute. The color is super cute. It's high-waisted. It comes up like over my belly button. I'm really liking these. So envision these pants for travel. Like, you know, with my suitcase. How does this suitcase work? Aren't these cute? They're like little wide leg, kind of like gaucho style, super comfortable. I saw these and I was like, okay, these would be super nice for travel. So I think I'm gonna wear these on the plane, and they're very lightweight. So even though it's super hot right now, like they're super lightweight. I'm someone that really cannot do shorts on a plane. Like the thought of the plane seat touching my bare legs, I can't do that. So I have to wear pants, and I always get cold in the airplanes. They're either like super cold or super hot, but usually super cold. So I'm gonna be wearing these with probably like a white t-shirt. They're not cropped, but they're kind of like ankle length. I like this color too. Wide leg pants, true navy, big pockets, drawstring waist. I also bought this like espresso chocolate brown. These are the wide leg pants. I think these ones were like more of a full length though. Let me try these ones on. So here's these ones. They're a little bit different. They are full length, a little bit longer. I'm 5'3". These are a size medium with shoes. They're gonna be perfect. Still have those big, huge pockets, but they do not have a drawstring. It's just like an elastic band. I don't know, I think I like the other ones better. I think if you're like petite and shorter, you'll probably like the cropped ones. And if you are taller, you'll probably like these ones. But then again, it's like, I don't know how tall, because these are kind of like, the length isn't that bad on me. You know what I mean? But they're so cheap and it's Amazon, so it's like you could just return it if it doesn't work for you, obviously, or exchange it. But they're so comfortable. They're just comfortable. Like, that's what I love about them, is I knew that I loved this material. So if you know you like the Crazy Yoga, like workout material, the shorts, like the thin running short fabric, that's what the same, like that these pants are made out of. I obviously wouldn't wear it with this shirt. but super cute. Like these are both really great for like lounging, travel, momming, anything like that. Packing these. All right, so the hair dye that I ordered on Amazon didn't end up coming in last night. So this is actually the next day, but I wanted to get this part in the video too. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but like I get little grays all through my temples. I have probably like, I don't know, 10 on each side maybe. So it's not many, but it's just right at my hairline. So it's pretty obvious when it's next to my naturally like super dark hair. And I end up getting it colored. I've had them now for probably like, I don't know, I started getting them when I was pregnant with Rocco. So like 3-4 years now. DP Hue Root Touch-Up Kit, 100% grade coverage. I did dark brown. But yeah, I get my hair done like twice a year, which I love. I love that it's like low maintenance and easy, and I don't feel like going into the salon more often than that, but I don't feel like waiting 6 months always to cover up the gray. So I wanted like a solution to do at home. So let's do this. The color, Developer. Not bad. I'm gonna let it sit for 45 minutes. We'll see the results. All right, so my hair is washed and clean. I have no more little baby grays. Feeling good. There's nothing better than like when you have fresh washed hair and you actually do it and style it and don't just like let it air dry. I like rarely do this, but I am always like, oh, I'm surprised my hair actually looks decent when I actually do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my little tostada taco recipe that I've been loving, my activewear try-on haul. I absolutely love CRZ or Crazy Yoga. I'll have everything linked below, and just kind of hanging out with me for the day, resetting myself after feeling sick over the weekend. I'm starting to feel so much better. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you have any questions or anything you want to share, leave them down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I drop new videos every Monday on health, wellness, lots of recipes, what I eat in a day, grocery hauls. If you have any requests for what you'd like to see next week, just let me know and I will talk to you guys then. Bye.